Hello students, welcome to in your environmental studies class. Today in EVS our topic is chapter number 8, living and non-living things. Today we will know about the living and non-living things. We can read the chapter, then we will describe it. We see many things around us. Things which have life are living things. A living thing grows over time. Living things need food, water, air and sunlight. As we know that what are the baby, trees, a dog, they are the living things. They can grow, they need water, food, air and sunlight for living. Okay, so these are the living things in our surroundings. There are different types of things. Some are natural things, some are human made things. So what are the natural things? Natural things made by God or nature. They are called things which are made by God and nature are called natural things, and things which are made by humans, they are human made things. So all living things are natural things. This is fixed. जितने भी living thing होते हैं वो natural things होते हैं, जो प्रकृति गॉड ने जिसको बनाया हुआ है. एंड लिविंग थिंग्स जो क्या है, जो जीवित हैं, जिंदा हैं, दे हैव देयर लाइफ है जिसमें जीवन है. सो लिविंग थिंग जो है ऑल टाइम ग्रो करता है, बढ़ते ही रहता है, बढ़ते बढ़ते वो लास्ट में उसका वो एक दिन मिट भी जाता है. इट मीन्स लिविंग थिंग कैन बर्थ एंड इट कैन डाई. लिविंग थिंग का डेथ एंड बर्थ फिक्स है, इट इज़ फिक्स. एंड लिविंग थिंग को ग्रो करने के लिए फूड, वाटर, एयर एंड सनलाइट चाहिए. ओके, सो एंड व्हाट आर द नॉन लिविंग थिंग? लेट्स सी. Things which do not have life are non-living thing. A non-living thing does not grow. It also does not need food, water, air and sunlight. See, rock, clock, chairs, these are the non-living things. Non-living things can natural things also or human made things also. Non-living thing में natural thing और human made thing दोनों होते हैं. Like rock जो है natural thing है, but it is not living thing because इसमें life नहीं है. Just opposite of living thing. Living thing के just opposite होता है. ये grow नहीं करता है. Non-living thing को food भी नहीं चाहिए, water भी नहीं चाहिए, air भी नहीं चाहिए. They don't want it. So these are they cannot move. What are the difference between living and non-living thing? Let's see. living thing can grows and changes. इनका grow होता है, changes होता है, moves on its own. ये खुद से चल फिर सकते हैं, reproduce और has babies. इनके babies भी होते हैं, रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं, नीड्स वाटर, फूड एंड एयर टू स्टे लाइव. लिविंग थिंग जो है ये जो है खुद ओन से ग्रो, बट वन इज ऑपोजिट दैट ट्रीज एंड प्लांट दे आर लिविंग थिंग बट दे कैन नॉट मूव. लिविंग थिंग में प्लांट्स एंड ट्रीज होते हैं, ये ग्रो भी करते हैं, इनका बेबी भी होता है, देन ये ग्रो होते हैं, इनका डेथ भी होता है, बट ये जो है मूव नहीं करते हैं, बट दे आर लिविंग थिंग्स. सो what are the non-living things? Non-living things does not grow. Non-living thing cannot move on its own. Non-living thing जो है ये मूव नहीं कर पाते हैं खुद से. does not have babies, इनके कोई babies नहीं होते हैं. does not need food, air, water, sunlight, इनको कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. okay, so these are the difference between living and non-living things. So we know about that. We learnt about that all natural things are living things, but all non-living things are, some are natural things, some are man-made things. So some activities given over here. Look around and make a list of any 4 living and non-living things that you find in your surroundings. See, living things: birds, animals, trees, human. These are the living things: birds, animals, trees, humans. You can find out different names, so you can write over here. Non-living things like stones, tables, chalk, pebbles, book. So you can write, आप अपने हिसाब से नेम फाइंड करके you can write over here. Next, We see many things around us. Living things have life. Yes. Non-living things do not have life. Plants and animals are living things. Yes. Now, true and false. Write T for true and F for false. So here non-living things do not move. Yes, they do not move. True. Living things need food. Yes, true. Plants and are living things but they cannot move. True. A car is a living thing as it moves. False. ओके कार मूव करता है बट इसको मूव करने के लिए ह्यूमन बीइंग की हेल्प के थ्रू होता है. इट इज़ नॉट अ लिविंग थिंग. ओके सो इट इज़ फॉल्स. Fill in the blanks. There are many kinds of dash things around us. So there are many kinds of dash around us. Answer is things. THINGS things. Things which have dash are living things. Things which have life 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 are living things. Dash and animals are living things. Plants and animals are living. Animals में सारे चीज़ शामिल हो जाते हैं. You know that all human beings are also animals. All insects, birds, they all are animals. A table is a dash thing. As we know that table is a non-living thing. So next, this question answer we can write over in our notebook. Now turn the page. Some more activities given over here. Tick the picture that are living and cross out the ones that are non-living. See the picture which is living. We can take the flowers. Yes, they are living thing. Table, it is non-living thing. Yes, a snail, it is a living thing. Press, it is non-living, so I cross it. Grass, yes, living thing. Girl, yes, living. Snake, living. And candle, it is a non-living thing, so you can take the living thing and cross the non-living thing. Now next, Ravi planted so many plants in his garden but never watered them. As a result, the plant could not grow. Ravi started crying. How will you help Ravi? So यहाँ पे रवि है, इसने बहुत सारे गार्डन में बहुत सारे प्लांट्स लगाए बट वो ग्रो नहीं कर रहे हैं और वो उनको पानी भी नहीं दे रहा. सो व्हाट कैसे हेल्प करेंगे, उनको क्या बताएंगे? ओके You would tell him to keep the plants in the dark room. क्या उसको डार्क रूम ले जाने बोलेंगे? No, plants को कोई डार्क रूम में रखेंगे तो it cannot grow because plants also need sunlight to grow. So you would tell him to water the plants daily. Yes, plants को थोड़ा थोड़ा water daily देंगे तो जल्दी से grow करेगा. So this is the activity you can do and you can enjoy the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.